Hey guys, it's Amazing Girl 154 and today I'm going to be playing the puppy outside. I'll show you my puppy first. He's really playful. My foot! He's really playful. Biting my foot. Simba! Look! His cage. Simba, look. Simba, baby. Baby! Yeah, so I'll go check the weather, guys. Come on. Hi! You follow me. You follow me. You follow me. He's on the iPad right now. Sorry, guys. He's on me, but it's fine. No, it's too sunny. His paw. I am legit so sad I hit that time. Sorry, I just hit him. Yep. Guys. He just got his meal yesterday. He's crying so much. But he wasn't crying that much. What am I saying? Monkey go swimming.